Hey there. Uh, I am recording this the day right after the last entry. This is entry number 2. Um, Nothing has happened today. Uh, Honestly, I should have just waited for something to happen. It's Christmas Eve, so something is bound to happen. Um, but I think I'm in a better headspace. Last night was just overwhelming for me. Uh, Despite that, I still didn't really get a lot of sleep. Uh, I did eat, which is good. Yesterday, I barely ate. I had maybe a donut, like a Munchkin donut, and then some dinner, which was like 2 hours later. So yeah, I mean, maybe I'm already showing progress. Maybe this happiness is, well, it's not happiness. It's just less sadness, I guess. Um, I started a Snapchat story. It's in a similar vein to this. Um, just keeping track of myself. Uh, that one's a bit, I don't know if it will be more personal. It'll be something. Um, but again, it is in the same vein as this. And what this is, the Snapchat story and some other things that I plan on doing, I'm gonna call it the Saving Patrick Project or something, or Operation uh, Better Patrick, Operation Mission Impossible. um, Hopefully, it's not impossible. Uh, but essentially, all this stuff that I'm doing for myself. And for the longest time, I haven't been doing things for me. I've just been doing things for other people, to meet their expectations or to gain their um, sympathy or something. But this is for me for once. And you might wonder why, if it's for me, why do I make it public? Um, I think I explained in the last video, it's an accountability thing. And I also want to be more open with people. And honestly, it's hard for me to do that just like super personally and in person, one-on-one or anything. So this is just the format I understand and the way things are going to be for a while. I woke up this morning from a dream. I don't remember much from it, but it inspired me to write a letter to someone. Here it is. I messed up the first letter. I think I got on the second draft, the second try. The letter is for someone who's had a big impact in my life, and I feel as if I just have one last thing to say to them. I've recorded a video of me reading the letter, though I don't think it will see the light of day anytime soon, as the letter is a pretty personal kind of ordeal, and it should probably just stay between me and the person. I also wrapped some Christmas gifts today for my mom and my dad. My brother was the one who put the money forth for most of the gifts. I got one thing And I really wish I could do more, but I don't have that kind of money right now. I'm still a student, and the one job I do have is tutoring, and it doesn't really pay much. So, yeah, in the future, I'm hoping that I get to contribute more, because my family has done a lot of good for me. What else? It's hard talking for 10 minutes, especially when nothing has happened. I guess I can maybe talk more on my ideas for the Saving Private Patrick initiative. So this Snapchat story, both a part of it. I play a lot of bass, and when I was lonely and at low points, that's kind of all I could do. I really didn't feel like I could go to people. I felt like that was kind of the only thing in my life, and it felt good. That feeling of continuously improving is always nice. It's fulfilling. So if you know my other channel, I play bass mostly on that. I'd like to play on here a bit eventually, maybe some more personal kind of pieces for me, and one where I won't have to have a huge getup or anything. I'm also a part of a band now. I always look forward to that. It's always very nice. It's a great motivator. Again, just being creative, I think, has been a healthy outlet. I've been drafting up some lyrics for some songs. I just hope we can make them work. Another part of the mission is I want to keep on trying to go out more. I've joined a couple of clubs at school. They're fun and they're great for meeting new people, but I think I can do more to keep doing that. Maybe, I don't know, maybe I'll actually read a book or something. I know books are for nerds, you know that, but I think there's definitely worth in them. So I want to, maybe there is some health in there. As for what the book would be, I don't really know. I have a lot of comic books that I have to get around to reading, so I want to do that. But I find that I relate to a lot of characters in media. So this will be good. I know it's like oh, he's literally me kind of joke, but there's just a lot of media that I can consume, and I see someone who's in a similar situation, and it really helps me empathize, and it's just, again, it's nice knowing that you're not alone. Even if a character is fictional, they can feel real. So yeah, I always wish that I had more time than 10 minutes, but I think that this is about it. So we will continue to get better, and I'll see you later.